Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing our monthly NailTube Friends collab. These are the manicures that were prepared, and you can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. If you're coming over from one of my friends' channels, then welcome and I hope you'll stay. This month we didn't really have a theme except to use the color yellow. I picked 5 different yellow nail polishes. The first one is this Shai nail polish called Mellow Yellow. The second one is from Sinful Colors and it's called Let's Meet. This sparkly yellow from C&D Vinylux is called Bicycle Yellow. On my ring finger I applied this YAPA polish called Arabella. And finally, on my pinky, I applied this gorgeous Morgan Taylor called Glow Like a Star. Now we'll do some stamping using a black polish. The plate I chose is this one from Ejiubas X14. I pick up the same image and stamp it on all the nails. After stamping, this is what I'm left with, and I love the design. Now all I have to do is apply a top coat. I want to try a matte, so I'll be using the Sally Hansen, but first I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat, and then I'll apply the Sally Hansen over it. When the matte top coat dries, here's the final manicure, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!